Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Growth English channel.
Hi, everybody. We're really happy you're here with us today.
I'm Jannie.
And I'm David. And as always, on this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English in a calm, simple, and natural way.
Yes, exactly. So before we start today's topic, David, how are you feeling today?
That's a good question. I'm okay, I think. Not great, not bad. Just one of those days where you feel a little quiet inside.
I know that feeling. It's not sadness exactly, but it's also not happiness.
Yes, exactly. It's like you're fine, but your energy is low.
And that actually connects very well to today's topic.
Yes, it does.
Today, we're going to talk about sad feelings and how to talk about them in English.
This is a very important topic because sadness is part of life.
Yes, everyone feels sad sometimes.
And many English learners know the word sad, but they don't know how to talk about different types of sadness.
Or how to explain how they feel in a natural way.
Exactly. So today we'll go slowly, we'll repeat a lot, and we'll use long, natural sentences.
And don't worry, you don't need advanced English to follow this.
Just relax, listen, and imagine the situations.
Let's start with the most basic word.
The word everyone knows.
Sad.
Sad.
When we say, I'm sad, it means we are not happy.
Something is wrong or something hurt us emotionally.
For example, you can say, I'm sad today.
Or, I feel sad.
Very simple, very common.
But in real life, people often add more words.
Yes, because feelings are usually more complex.
For example, instead of just saying, I'm sad, you might say, I'm feeling a little sad today, and I don't really know why.
That sentence feels very real.
Yes, because sometimes we don't know the reason.
And notice how long the sentence is.
It's not difficult English, but it's slow and expressive.
Now let's talk about another common feeling.
Feeling down.
When someone says, I'm feeling down, it means they feel sad or low.
But it's usually a softer sadness.
Yes, not something very dramatic.
For example, I've been feeling a bit down lately because work has been very tiring.
That sounds very natural.
Many people feel down after a long week.
Or when they are tired, stressed, or overwhelmed.
Exactly. And you can also say, I'm feeling a little down today, so I just want to stay at home and rest.
That sentence paints a picture.
Yes, you can imagine the person on the sofa, quiet, maybe drinking tea.
Let's move to a deeper kind of sadness.
Feeling lonely.
Feeling lonely means you feel alone emotionally.
Even if people are around you.
Yes, that's very important.
You can be in a room full of people and still feel lonely.
For example, I feel lonely when I don't have anyone to talk to about my day.
That's a very honest sentence.
And very human.
Another example could be, lately I've been feeling lonely in the evenings, especially after work.
Evenings can be difficult for many people.
Yes, everything becomes quiet.
And your thoughts become louder.
Now let's talk about feeling disappointed.
Feeling disappointed means something did not happen the way you hoped.
Maybe you expected something better.
Or you trusted someone.
For example, I feel disappointed because I worked very hard, but the result was not what I expected.
That sentence is long but very clear.
And very common in real life.
Yes, especially at work or in relationships.
You can also say, I'm disappointed in myself for not trying harder.
That's a difficult feeling.
Yes, but it's good to know how to express it.
Another word we hear a lot is upset.
Upset is a strong emotional reaction.
It can include sadness, anger, or frustration.
For example, I'm really upset about what happened yesterday, and I'm still thinking about it.
That sentence shows the feeling is still there.
Yes, it didn't disappear.
And notice again, long sentence, simple words.
Let's slow down a bit and imagine a situation.
Yes, this is very important for learning.
Imagine it's Sunday evening.
You're at home,
The weekend is ending.
and tomorrow is Monday.
You might say, I'm feeling a little sad and tired because the weekend is over and I'm not ready for another busy week.
That sounds very real.
Many people feel this way.
And it's okay to feel like that. Let's add something very important here.
Yes, this part really matters.
Many people feel sad, but they don't talk about it.
They keep it inside.
And when you don't talk about your feelings, they often become heavier.
Yes, they stay with you longer.
That's why learning how to talk about sadness in English is not only about language.
It's also about connection.
When you say how you feel, people understand you better.
And sometimes you even understand yourself better. Now let's talk about something important.
Talking about sad feelings does not mean you are weak
It means you are honest.
and self-aware.
In English, people often soften their sadness.
Yes, they don't always say, I'm very sad.
They say things like, I'm not feeling myself today.
Or, I'm a bit off today.
These sentences are very natural.
And very useful.
Before we finish, let's do a gentle recap.
Today, we talked about sad feelings.
We talked about feeling sad,
Feeling down.
feeling lonely,
Feeling disappointed.
feeling upset,
All simple words.
but very powerful when used in long, natural sentences.
Before we start reviewing, I want to share something personal.
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
There was a time when I didn't realize I was sad.
Really?
Yes, I wasn't crying and nothing terrible had happened.
But something felt wrong.
Exactly. I remember coming home in the evening.
After a long day?
Yes, I would put my bag down, sit on the sofa, and just stare at my phone.
Not really doing anything.
Not answering messages, not watching TV.
Just quiet.
And inside, I felt heavy.
That heaviness is important.
Yes, that's when I learned to say, I'm feeling a bit down lately, and I don't really know why.
That sentence explains so much.
It helped me understand myself.
And it helped other people understand you too.
I want to share something too.
Go ahead.
For me, sadness often comes with disappointment.
Disappointment in what way?
Sometimes in myself.
That's very honest.
I remember working very hard on something.
Putting in a lot of time.
Yes, many late nights.
And then?
The result wasn't what I expected.
That hurts.
It does. And I didn't know how to explain it before.
What do you say now?
Now I say, I feel disappointed because I tried my best, but things didn't work out the way I hoped.
That's a long sentence.
But it feels calm.
And very clear. Let's talk about something many people experience.
The difference between what we say and what we really feel.
Yes, very often people say, I'm fine.
Or, I'm okay.
But inside, they feel sad
Or tired.
or lonely.
So instead of just saying, I'm fine, you can say, I'm okay, but I've been feeling a little sad these days.
That sentence opens the door.
It invites conversation.
And connection.
And that's very powerful. Let's slow down again and review everything, but very gently.
Yes, no rush.
Today, we explored different sad feelings,
Not just the word sad.
but also feeling down,
Feeling lonely.
feeling disappointed.
And feeling upset.
We also talked about quiet moments,
Evenings, nights, and Sundays.
moments when emotions become stronger.
And we practiced long, calm sentences.
Because long sentences help your voice slow down.
And help your listener relax.
That's very important for real English.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Yes, take your time with this.
When do you usually feel a little sad or down?
Is it in the evening
On Sundays?
or after a long day?
Try to answer using one full sentence.
A long, calm sentence.
You can pause the video and practice.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We're really happy you're here.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And come back for more real, everyday English.
See you next time.
Bye for now.